how to lose weight, we need to take care of our diet, practice exercises, and especially of our water intake during the day. And from that comes a question: are we drinking enough water to keep us hydrated and to boost our metabolism and eliminate toxins from our body? Water has a very important role in our lives. It carries nutrients to the cells, helps with digestion, regulates our body temperature, and plays an important role in the circulatory system. Did you know that? Besides that, drinking water is good for your health, even if you aren't on a diet. As we have seen on the channel, drinking water on an empty stomach right after waking up brings you many benefits. If you want to know more, click on the suggested video. Did you know that adding a few drops of lemon also helps? Lemon strengthens the immune, gastric, intestinal systems and acts as an anti-inflammatory. We have also talked about this on the channel. Water is always the best option for your drinks because it hydrates, satiates, and has no calories. Besides that, it boosts the metabolism and helps with intestinal transit. However, according to studies, drinking water during your main meals may not be so good. Do you know why? According to researchers, drinking water during meals dilates your stomach, which causes bloating, reduces satiety, and makes you more hungry after the meal. The bloating can also demotivate people from following their diets. Are you liking this video so far? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who drink during their meals. It happens because, during digestion, we need the gastric juices to act, breaking the nutrients down so that they can be absorbed by the body. When we ingest liquids like water, juices, beers, sodas, etc. during the meal, the gastric juices are diminished, which leads to poor digestion. That's why sometimes you may feel full, but you still feel like you didn't eat much. The ideal is to ingest liquids 20 to 60 minutes after your meals. In the beginning, if it feels hard to eat without drinking anything, stipulate only 1 cup of water for your whole meal. Tell us, do you usually drink something while you eat? Do you suffer from poor digestion or other things? How about including this trick in your daily life? Do it and tell us how your experiment went. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.